outside they have this round fins on the side. So like while we are bringing these stingrays, we also like have an eye on these stingrays to see like whether these female stingrays are getting pregnant or not. So we have these funny names to our female stingrays like the Stumpy, Big Mama, Wonky, those kind of names. So we have seen the Big Mama was pregnant for 3 times. And also at the moment she is pregnant, but she is not here today. Yesterday she came. Today we have this Stumpy. She got pregnant for 4 times since she started come over here. So in general their gestation period will last for 4 to 5 months, and when these stingrays are ready to give birth, they stop coming here for our feeding station for about 3 or 4 days. So they usually stay in the deep water to give birth. And each time the stingray can give 1 or 2 live births, and when they are born they are the size of the dinner plate size, around this size. Also these stingrays are bringing their babies to our feeding station. We can never say that they are not taking care of their babies. So but these newborn baby stingrays will reach the sexual